channel. We're here looking in this in this channel we have the mountains. We're in this cable car. This looks so high, bro. Looks so high. I got my brother with me. Say hi, Nick. Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
Bruh.
Hi.
Yeah, look at that view. We're almost there. Did you what? Did you what? You show something on this is shorts. No, it's not shorts. It's a video that's super extremely short. Oh my god! Oh my god! It is really wobbly right now. There's some Asian people, Switzerland people. We never told you guys, but I guess this is gonna be like this. Some people right now. This guy.
Oh my god.
Remember to like and subscribe and comment if you want to.
And then
if we even can. Okay.
Part 2 is gonna be soon.
Bye.